In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Beatstars. This process is essential for anyone looking to seamlessly manage their music sales and ensure that payments are processed smoothly. Let's dive in to ensure you're set up for success. First, you need to log into your Beatstars account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it on the login page. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found in the top right corner of your dashboard, often represented by a gear or profile icon. Clicking this will take you to a page that allows you to manage various aspects of your account, including payments. Next, look for the Payment Methods section. This is where you'll be adding your PayPal account. It should be prominently located within your account settings, but if you're having trouble finding it, don't hesitate to use the search function. Within the Payment Methods section, you should see an option to connect your PayPal account. Click on the PayPal option to begin the linking process. Typically, this will pop up a prompt requiring you to log into your PayPal account. Have your PayPal login information ready for this step. Enter your email and password in the appropriate fields and proceed to log in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your PayPal account, ensure that access to your phone or email is available to retrieve the security code. After successfully logging into PayPal, you'll need to review the permissions that Beatstars is requesting. This generally includes granting Beatstars access to your PayPal in order to complete transactions and manage payments. It's important to read through these permissions carefully so you're fully aware of what the integration involves. If you're comfortable with the permissions requested, go ahead and click Agree or Connect to authorize the link between PayPal and Beatstars. Once linked, you'll usually receive a confirmation message indicating that the connection has been successful. Return to your Beatstars account to verify that your PayPal account is now listed under your payment methods. It's a good idea to check that everything looks correct and that your PayPal account is indeed active and ready to handle transactions. Now, a couple of quick tips. Make sure that your PayPal account is verified to avoid potential issues with payment processing. Verification usually involves confirming a linked bank account or credit card. This enhances the security of your transactions and provides added peace of mind. Additionally, if you encounter any issues during this process, checking PayPal's and Beatstars support pages or FAQ sections can offer quick solutions and answers to common questions. With your PayPal successfully connected to Beatstars, you're all set to manage your music sales effortlessly. Make sure to stay updated with both Beatstars and PayPal to leverage any new features they might roll out to enhance your transaction experience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!